Aloha mai kako, this is Kuʻipo from Download Hawaii, and this video is gonna go over huaʻōlelo no ka Lumi moi. So vocabulary words that are pili to the bedroom. So the first one here we have is kauluna. Kauluna, and you notice there's no okina there, so you don't say kauluna, just kauluna, pillow. Kahaka kau puke, kahaka kau puke, bookshelf. Ke kapa moe, blanket. Kalole, kalole, clothes. Kamea kaulole, hanger. Na mea pa'ani, toys. Kamoe, bed. Kamoena, rug. Ke pākaukau moe, nightstand. Ka pahu ume, dresser. Ka waihona lole, closet. So this W, you can also do it with a V sound. So ka waihona lole. Okay, it's up to you. So those are the huaʻōlelo. Moving on to the useful phrases. Okay, so top one up there, e opi kalole, fold your clothes. E opi kalole. E hoʻi na mea pa'ani. E hoʻi na mea pa'ani, put away the toys. E uhi ka moe, make your bed. E hoʻoma'e kou lumi, clean your room. E vakiuma I ka moena, vacuum the rug. And lastly, e ala mai, wake up. Okay, so these are all like commands. So that's why you see the A before all of these sentences. You're telling someone to do something. So that's what that A there means. All right, oia wale mahalo.